Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Gmail account temporarily for security. If you suspect unauthorized access or just want to pause account activity, this full step-by-step guide for 2026 will help you secure your Gmail safely. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the Gmail account you want to lock. Next, click on Security in the left-hand menu. This is where you can control devices, apps, and sign-in activity. Under Your Devices, click Manage Devices. Sign out of all devices except the one you're using. This temporarily prevents others from accessing your Gmail. Change your Gmail password immediately. Use a strong, unique password so that even if someone has your old password, they cannot access your account. Enable two-step verification for extra security. This way, your Gmail account requires a code or authentication even if someone has your password. Run Google Security Checkup to review devices, apps, and recent activity. This ensures there is no unauthorized access and confirms your account is fully protected. For added temporary lock, you can also remove suspicious connected apps and pause syncing on mobile devices. This helps make your Gmail inaccessible to any unauthorized apps. That's how to lock your Gmail account temporarily for security step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.